Louise. Close your eyes.
Does everyone know where this sausage came from? Came from an animal that goes. A pig, yeah. A pork sausage roll. So I have some flour on my plate. I'm going to get a little bit on my fingers. And I'm going to put my sausage on the small part of my dough. I'm going to put it on top of the small part of my dough. And then I'm going to wrap it over. And I'm going to wrap it over and roll it till it looks like this. So can I see you put the sausage on the small part of your dough? On top of the small part of your dough? On the end? Good, Nada. We're going to keep it inside. Can I see? And leave it down and then put it down on your plate so I can see how you did. Put it on the small part here.
Wow. You do it by yourself?
Good. Now put it down on the plate. Good. Okay. Very good. Now put it down on the plate.
Put it here. And then roll.
Down on the plate. Miss Ed.
Wow, they're very good.
Okay, listen.
So nursery. Everyone's making sausage rolls and eggs. This is our pastry.
Now you have it.
Now keep it on your plate.
So you need to get your sausage.
Just leave it.
Pick up your sausage.
Yes.
Sausage.
Push, pick up your sausage.
Tiga. Cuma tiga. Yes, sausage.
Girl.
Don't eat, nah.
Louise, pick up your
Pick up.
sausage.
Pick up your sausage. Your sausage. This one.
And you're going to put your sausage
Yeah.
over the
Okay.
pastry.
Yeah.
Here.
And then you're going to roll the pastry around the sausage.
And
Mr. and Miss Anna will help you.
yes.
So it looks like this. Okay.
And put. Okay, roll. Yeah. Yeah.
Now up there. We're all going to put our sausage roll in this tin. But first, I'm going to take, this is butter.
Don't touch.
Do you know where butter comes from?
Okay, don't touch.
It comes from an animal that goes.
Yeah, wait.
Butter comes from
Put the sausage
So I'm going to put my butter
in the basket.
and I'm going to, my hands are clean, I washed them. I'm going to spread the butter on the whole pan. Do you know why we're doing this? We do this so that the dough doesn't stick. We don't want the dough to stick. So my hands are getting really messy. So I need to get the butter. Did I get it everywhere? No? Oh, I still need to do it more. So this way the dough won't stick. We don't want the dough to get stuck to the pan because then we cannot eat it. And do you want to eat this later when it's ready, when it's hot? Yeah? Everywhere.
Mosquito! Why you have nasty? You need to wash hands.
I will wash my hands, Pinyin, don't worry. But it has to get a little messy first. So now I have butter all over my tin. And then I'm going to take my dough and I'm going to put it on. So now can you put your sausage roll in the tin? Good. Paste them evenly. What? Wait, sorry. Okay.
Now, tabang. Good job. Can you put your sausage here, please?
Good.
Yes. Put it here. Yes. Okay, can you put it here, please? Put it here. Oh, wow. Very slowly.
Wait for Miss Anna to come in. Oh, Miss Anna has the tray. Miss Anna has the So you're going to have sausage.
And now we're going to put the tray in the oven. In the oven where it's very hot.
Okay. Whoa. Very good.
Remember this sausage?
So this is what it looks like.
And then we're going to put it in the oven and cook it, okay?
Thank you. Good cook. Now, this one